53-pound kettlebell weight. $115 on the barbell.
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go. Let's go, Ty. There you go. Let's go, bang it out, bang them out. Just 5. There you go. Good shit, let's go, Ty. You're good. Here, now you're gonna rest the upper body. Let's go, bang them out. Just 15, bang them out. Good depth, good depth. There you go. Keep pushing, push through, push through. There you go. That's 1 round done. There you go. Let's go. Get up. Just 5. Just 5. You got it. Use your legs. Use your legs. There you go, Ty. Done. Good shit. Good shit. Let's go. Keep fighting. There you go. You got it. There you go. Keep fighting. Hey, one more. Good shit. Good depth, good depth. Way to keep going. Keep pushing, let's go, keep pushing. There you go. Let's go, Ty. You got 5 minutes, 25 seconds left. Let's go, push through for 5. You got it. Push through for 5. Get up. There you go, get up. Good shit, get up, let's go, 2 more. Get up. There you go. Let's go, exactly 5 minutes left. You're right where you want to be. Let's go. Keep this pace up. Let's go, there you go. Now you're going to break for the upper body. 4.5, Ty, 4.5. Bust out 15, let's go, bust them out. There you go. Let's go, just put your mind somewhere else, just keep going. There you go, let's go, bust them out. Come on, Ty. Keep pushing, keep pushing. There you go. You're good, you're good. You got 3.5 left, just 3.5, just keep pushing. There you go, Ty. There you go. Hell yeah, let's go, baby. You're fresh. Let's go. Get it up, get up. Good shit. Just put your mind somewhere else, Ty. Put your mind somewhere else and just keep going through it. You got 3 minutes left. Let's go, let's go. There you go, good shit. Let's go, up, up. There you go, Ty. Let's go, 240, come on, keep pushing. 240, let's go, you got it. You're crushing it, keep going, keep going. Bust these out. Attack it, baby, attack it. There you go, good depth, you're crushing it, let's go. Keep banging them out. Let's go, Ty, keep going, keep going. There you go, Ty, good shit, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go, let's go. You got 145 left. Get in one more circuit. Let's go. There you go. All right, let's go. 130, 130. You got one last in you. That's your goal. One last. Let's go. Put your mind somewhere else, push. There you go, that's 1. 2, good shit, Ty. Use those legs, there you go. Every rep, you need every rep, let's go. There you go, good shit. Let's go, Ty. Come on, 55. Let's go. Just push through for 55. Try and get in one more set. Bang these push-ups out, and the front squats are all you. There you go. Hell yeah, let's go. Keep going, keep going. Let's go. Keep going, Ty. You got it. All right, Ty, come on, 30 seconds. Push through these last front squats. 30 seconds, just bang them out. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, Ty, come on, finish strong, let's go. Up, there you go. There you go, let's go, Ty. Finish it out.
Go quick.
Let's go, let's go.